Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create sales invoice in Xero. So for that purpose we'll come in invoice tab. So once you click here you will get this kind of display. So here you can see all the invoices which we have created, and here you can see various options like new invoice, new credit note, send statements, import, export, and invoice reminders. And here you will also get option of new repeating invoices. Okay, so let's click on new invoice. So now we need to fill the sales invoice detail. So we select the customer, then we enter the date, due date, invoice number, reference. In description I'm going to enter simply sales. Okay, you can also select the currency, and you can also attach any files here. Quantity 1, unit price. You can also add discount if you want to add here. Okay, so it's in percentage, so I have entered 10% discount tab. After entering all the details, I'll just click on approve. So as you can see, our sales invoice has been created. Okay, then you can see here all the invoices. If you want to edit or delete the invoice, then you can do the same thing from here. You will get various options like email, print PDF. In invoice option we'll get option of repeat, void means cancel, then edit, add credit note, share invoices. And from sales overview option, if you click on see all, then we'll get the same display here. Okay, so let's some modification in invoice. So I'll click here. I'm going to remove discount from invoices. So from invoice option, I'll click on edit. Now in discount tab, I'll enter 0. So you can see the discount has been removed, and I'll just click on update. So we'll get our revised invoice. Okay, you can see here. So in this manner you can create invoice and edit invoice. Thanks for watching.